This video shows you how to draw a prehistoric tree. You will need a pen and a pencil and an eraser. Now we're going to use the pencil very gently, hardly touch the paper, and this is to help us position the drawing where we want it to be. So this is going to sort of come up there, getting thinner as we get to the top, and then it's going to split. Ooh, let's do that a bit lower. I'm going to erase them. Now, don't press too hard. So we want to have like a V there. And then we want that going up there. And then we're going to want another V. And then here, we're going to want another V. So that's going to be out there, like that. And then these ones are going to want to have a V in them too, like that. And now we can use some ink, and I'm going to draw a really shaky, crumbly line down there like that. And again, a very shaky, crumbly line down there like that. And then we can do these by just sort of following the lines that we've done. And you can make them slightly thinner if you want, or just a little bit more. Makes it look a bit more elegant, really, like that. And then we can just, you have to pretend you're nervous, like you're going to see the head teacher or something like that. And oh, there we go, and there. So we just slightly nervous kind of line. And then if you make sure that the ink is dry, you can just erase the pencil marks at that point. And then each of these branches is going to have these sort of great big sort of shaggy bits of leafy stuff like that. And if you're drawing this in colour, you can do these scribbly bits with green felt tip pen or crayons or coloured pencils, whatever you want to colour them in with, like that. But obviously I'm doing them in black ink because that's what I got in my pen. So, and then we're just going to keep doing these. They're a bit like rah-rah sort of pom-pom things, like cheerleaders wave about, aren't they? They're kind of a bit like that. It doesn't matter if you're going over another one at all, because that's just how they are, like that. So we can draw this kind of very old, ancient-y kind of looking tree. And then what we want is to have this sort of pattern that goes all the way up. So it's a bit like the sort of shape of a pine cone in a way, and we want that to come down these branches like that. So they want to be these angles, these lines that we're drawing across like that. And then we want to go the other way so that we get this sort of pineapple-y as well, isn't it? Like a pineapple pine cone. Maybe the word pine comes from this pattern, because pineapples and pine cones have nothing to do with each other, do they? I don't think. Or maybe it was just that the pineapple looked like a pine cone. Something. So there, we're nearly done there. And here we can have this sort of growing. Oh, let's have a bit more down there. Have some sort of grass growing up like that, and you just need to do these little flicks like that to create the grass effect. Then all you need to do is colour in your prehistoric tree and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Draw Stuff Real Easy.